find them. You?
My family.
We're trying to have people cover their nose and mouth as much as possible.
I know.
Oh, okay.
I know what I'm doing. I'm old enough. I'm just look like a kid, but I'm old.
Oh, there's our daughter way back there.
Good morning, how are you?
Good morning, good morning.
Have a great day. Thank you.
I do that? To me?
Good morning.
No.
Welcome on board. How you doing, man?
I forgot. How do you do it, Shade?
I've never been on a plane with movies or whatever.
Yeah, but it's not going to.
Needed, oxygen mask will drop from an overhead compartment. Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and pull the mask down to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. The compartment under or next to your seat. Pull the red strap to remove the life vest pouch. If equipped with an elastic water, if necessary, and if the life vest will be distributed by a flight attendant, the safety card shows how to use it. If you're seated in an emergency exit row seat, the window shades must remain open for takeoff, taxi, and landing. Per CDC guidelines and American Airlines policies and procedures, we do require that all customers wear a face covering throughout all phases of flight, as well as boarding and exiting the aircraft. Should you fail to comply with that, your ability to fly American Airlines in the future may be suspended or revoked. Also, for those passengers who are unable to wear face covering because of other circumstances, please be courteous to your fellow passengers.
10 minutes para sa next flight. Ginoo. Mag-apas ka sa flight.
Huh?
Is this the one?
No.
What gate number?
Of the buckle. Keep your seatbelt fastened when the seatbelt sign is on. And just in case there's turbulence, keep it on whenever you are in your seat. Federal aviation regulations require compliance with all lighted signs, posted placards. Are overhead. Thank you for your attention. Enjoy your flight.
What you doing?
I'm good.
Look at that. Easy peasy. Great. Thank you, Morgan.
Thank you, Morgan.
Thank you, Morgan.
Morgan's awesome. I don't care what Carter says.
Morgan's awesome.
I want to buy you free water, Morgan.
Hey, here, McDonald's.
Congrats, Chris and Shannon, Annabelle and Nick. Just another step, John and Rachel. Congrats, Nate and Sarah, Morgan and Carter. You guys are making me really awkward. It's all these hard things. For the high school grad, it's impossible for a woman to learn too much, dream too big, or live too joyously. You've proven to the world that when a smart young woman sets out to do something, she's going to do it with style, grace, and determination. Jan and